Step 1. Open Tensor Art AI and navigate to the Image Generate page. Step 2. Click on Img2Img and select the image you want to work on. Load the image into the tool. Step 3. Once the image is loaded, take a look at the pixel aspect ratio to ensure it aligns with your vision. Step 4. For my example, I've set the base model to Lucid Dream. Below that, I've selected the LoRa sci-fi environment, along with the photorealistic landscape LoRa. Step 5. Next, add your prompt to guide the AI in generating the image. Prompts are critical, they direct the tool toward your desired outcome. Step 6. When you're ready, hit the Generate button. Step 7. After generating, click on the image to view it in detail. Step 8. To exit the image view, click outside the page. Step 9. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can modify the prompt. Adjust it to add or change details and hit Generate again to explore new possibilities. Bring your cursor to the image and select Img2Img. When you click that, the generated image will be sent to Img2Img. You'll see your generated image has been loaded up in the tool. Change the pixel aspect ratio. Set the width to 720 and the height to 1024. Once you've set the correct dimensions, hit the Generate button. Now, you can see your new image created from the old one. Click on the post, then click the image you want to post. In the bottom right corner, click Next. This will take you to the post page. Add the image details as required, including selecting the appropriate category and adding tags. Once everything is filled out, click Publish. Congratulations! You've successfully published your work.